Good morning and welcome to vlog number 3. It is so freaking beautiful outside and I'm so happy to be alive. For today's video, we are getting all prepped for our Colorado trip. We got some final walkthrough meetings to do, so we're so excited to celebrate like our little Christmas mini vacation together in one of our favorite places in the world. Today, we've got some errands that we need to run before we travel tomorrow. We got some last minute Christmas shopping that we need to do. We also gotta prepare for a shoot that I'll be doing in Colorado, and we have a sponsor for today's video. You guys, Koolaburra by UGG sent me a couple shoes for my Christmas vacation, so thank you guys so much. We're gonna unbox those in just a little bit, and then I wanna actually break them in and test drive them before I take them on my trip tomorrow. So right now I'm gonna cook some breakfast, get some oats going, and then we are gonna go over and do a little bit unboxing. I've also got some big boxes that should be arriving today, so we'll do a little like fashion show later. Thank you so much for joining me on this blessed day. I love you guys so much, and let's go. Hi, sweetie. Good morning.
Hi, thank you. Can I take this and go back in?
Yep, that's right. Love you. Alright, you guys, I just finished breakfast and I'm gonna come on over here in our little Christmas corner to do some unboxings. I got a big box of Koolaburra shoes right here. Let's go ahead and unbox and do a little fashion show. Pair number 1, we have the Celia winter boot. You guys, I am so excited to just have a collection of winter boots that I could wear all the time in Colorado. I'm so stoked. I actually got my true to size 5.5, and here is what they look like. Oh my gosh, I love them. These are so cute. Okay, so we've got a thick treaded sole, a little bit of a lift on the heel there, a really nice sturdy toe box. It makes me feel like kind of like a duck boot style. They actually feel nice and lightweight, but honestly the crowning feature of the shoe is this knit collar. It looks like a cute little sweater for your feet. I'm not sure if you can see on camera, but the entire interior of this boot is lined in fleece. Feels like a warm hug inside. They even line the back of the tongue so that the top of your foot also stays insulated, okay? This is what they look like on. I think they're super cute, y'all. I'm wearing them right now with my Loft leggings. You guys, these have been on sale all week for $25 in case you guys need a new pair of basic black leggings. I'm wearing it with this cream Madewell sweater, and here is what they look like up close. I actually think that the height is a really great height. It's not super tall like rain boots that could be a little bit restricting, but it's not short enough so that it doesn't feel bare. This fur lined feels amazing on the inside, and I really like that it kind of traps the wind from getting inside the boot. They're a great walking shoe every day. I will definitely be taking these to Colorado. Now this 5.5 is my true to size, and I feel like it fits just right, but if you guys are into wearing really thick socks, maybe go a half size up just in case. For me, I always wear very thin socks or bare feet, so I honestly can't believe that these guys are less than $100. I think that they look awesome. Girl, this is like my everyday outfit right here. Just cute winter boots, black leggings, and a nice cozy sweater. Done. Alright, so those were the Celias. Those are the first winter boots, and the second pair is going to be more of like an everyday like ankle booty. These are the Thea booties. Ooh, these are so cute. The color is called Cinder, which is a gray taupey color. Everyday casual booty. I like that this has sturdy stacked heel. I also appreciate that the entire bottom is actually lined in rubber so that you don't slip and fall, and the actual booty itself has kind of like a higher ridge in the front with this nice seam work and a slightly lower shaft in the back. I really like this elegant curvature in the booty just to give it some dimension versus just cutting directly across. And it looks like it's got a nice rounded toe box for my big wide feet. So I'm gonna go ahead and slip these guys on and show you guys what they look like. Oh girl, I am engaging my core right now. Okay, Alright guys, here is what the booties look like on. One thing I'm immediately noticing about these booties is the actual arch support feels amazing. There's a nice curvature to it, so it's really lifting. Definitely no pinching at all on the sides of the foot. It feels really great for a wide foot like mine. And yeah, these are just great for every day and it will look also really amazing with a pair of blue jeans. A really nice value at under $90. Also like the rubber gripping on the bottoms because there is no slippage. Super cute. This is the third and final pair and I'm so excited for these. These are the Victoria Tall fur-lined boots. Oh my god, you guys. I've been wanting these for so long. Oh, I think these are the cutest things ever. So these guys have the traditional boot silhouette, but they have this cute bow detailing on the side. You got the entire interior lined nice and cozy. You got a vertical line of fur that's sealed off in 3 sections with the cute matching bows. Oh my god, you guys, I feel like a little snow bunny. These boots were made for stretchy, comfortable leggings or skinny jeans. One thing to know about these boots is that they run in whole sizes. So I'm normally a 5.5 and I size down to 5 and they fit just perfectly. I actually have a lot of room in my toe box still in case I want to add another layer of thick socks. But you guys, these are so comfortable. I can just walk around in these all day. I think that they're such a cute statement maker and they actually look really cute from the front too because you have a little bit of that lining of fur peeking out. I think this has to be my favorite pair, you guys. I also think that looks really great with like a cream sweater like this because it picks up on the whites. You get the whole fur-lined boot experience with a little extra zhuzh, and I think I'm actually gonna wear these on the plane tomorrow because they're so comfortable and we have a late night flight, so I just want to be snugly and warm. And I think that the price is amazing for under $100. Yes, 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 yes. Love. Okay guys, so we need to run to the post office and the UPS store. And because it's like really sunny outside, I think I'm actually gonna wear the Thea ankle boots with some blue jeans and break those in today. And we'll go ahead and do some shopping at the mall. All right, let's go. Alright guys, we got home, we just relaxed for a little bit, and we are on our way out to do some yoga. I'm so excited because I've been really stressed out lately and I just want to chill out a little bit. I'm going to actually switch out my shoes. I'm going to try out the Cilia winter boots because it's actually really cold outside right now. So I'm going to rock these out. They're so fuzzy on the inside, you guys. I love it. I can actually put my bare foot in them and it feels like I'm wearing really thick socks. So we're going to put these on. Yeah. Are these a little worn in before our trip tomorrow? Hiya! How do you feel, babe?
Oh, I feel great.
Oh my God, I feel so
Very glad
good.
we came.
My body's just like the right amount of like warm, pulsating just a little bit. Oh, I feel so calm and zen. I could have fell asleep right on that damn floor.
I started to.
Yeah, me too at the end. I was like, ooh. Oh, that was so great. Honestly, you guys, don't think that we do this all often. We have our stuff together. Not at all. We bought an unlimited pass and we only used it once. It was the second time we've been there. So we're gonna go get Popeyes. Best thing after yoga is fried chicken. Listen guys, I know it's not the most wise choice in the holidays when we want to splurge a little bit. Plus that holiday feast special is just too good to decline. 9 pieces, 2 large size, and 4 biscuits for $20. Morning guys, it's the next day. I'm so sorry y'all. We came home, we ate all that fried chicken and like passed out. We were so zen and relaxed, and then all that chicken with those large size, I mean girl, she was wiped out. So right now we're actually frantically trying to like get ready, get the dog to the dog sitter and all that stuff. But I did promise you guys a little bit of unboxing, so I'm gonna show you guys my top 3 to 5 favorite things, and then the rest I'll show you guys actually in Colorado. First items from Everlane, you guys. I have literally my favorite new jeans and under $100. These are the new stretch denim, high-waisted skinny ankle jeans. They fit and feel like a freaking dream. I'm wearing the mid blue color. Then I got this new Renew fleece sweatshirt. It's a 1/4 zip, and you guys, this is made out of recycled plastic bottles. We also have a sweatshirt. It is actually so warm. This is perfect for the Bay Area weather, and I like that it actually covers the entire neck. And I paired it with the Thea ankle booties. I love that I got the ankle length because it's the perfect cutoff for a great everyday ankle booty. And this guy actually cinches, so you have some little toggles here so that you can seal up the hem for a more tight fit, okay? First 2 items. Next up, I have the Everlane cashmere mock neck cropped sweater. I have the crew neck versions, but this one is a really nice higher collar fit, and I think it looks so classy. I'm pairing it with a black rinse of the high-waisted Everlane stretch denim, and they look super cute and cozy and casual with the Cilia winter boots. Definitely going to be featuring this sweater in my office wear videos for 2019. I love these jeans, you guys. They're so great. I can't believe they're under $100. They feel amazing. They're stretchy, but they still feel like denim. Like a lot of jeggings, they feel more like leggings. This one has like that denim grit. So if you guys really like the authentic feel of denim, you're not going to sacrifice for the comfortable stretch. Here's a little Topshop cozy off-shoulder tunic sweater action. This is like ultimate at-home coziness, but I can still throw a jacket on and look really cute outside. And really this pairing is all about matching those adorable boots. I've got another pair of Loft leggings. I bought another 2 pairs to stock up on these because I love them so much. And they go 5-less with the Victoria tall booties. And I like the off-the-shoulder action because it still looks a little bit sexy and breaks up such a big sweater. So, oh, I want to show you guys a really cute sweater real quick too. Hold on. Penelope Von Schweetz has nothing on me, girl. Look how cute this sweater is. I picked up a bunch of cutesy like pop color sweaters. So I'm trying to pick the final ones for the winter lookbook. But I just want to show you this one real quick because it reminds me of like a little ice cream sundae or something. And they still look really cute with the boots if you want to go for all out candy color girly outfit. The next vlog, you'll be joining us in Colorado. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for joining me today. Thank you for Koolaburra for sponsoring this video and giving me these beautiful shoes to enjoy for my vacation. I love you guys all so, so much, and I'll talk to you guys real soon. Bye!